Good morning, and this is a video that combines a little bit of touch coin and counting to show you how to count your coins. Now touch coin is taking your major coins, your nickel, your dime, and your quarter, and giving each one touch points. Your nickel has one touch point. Each touch point is 5. So as I touch the nickel with my one touch point, I say 5. And I know it's equal to 5 cents. A dime has 2 touch points. So I would be counting 5, 10. So 5, 10. So this is 10 cents. And a quarter has 5 touch points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sort of looks a little bit like a Z. Okay, and each one's worth 5, so I would go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That's worth 25 cents. Now a penny, in touch math, they just put a square around it to remind you that it's worth 1. So each time you see a penny, you put a square around it. Although I don't think we need to put a square around it. We know that a penny is worth 1 cent. So if I was going to combine all of these up and then add them, I would say that my quarter has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41. So this all together would be 41 cents. Let me do that again, and I'll show you the points this time. A quarter, and you might notice I always start with the biggest number first, is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41 cents. Okay. Now, let's just say we have a lot of coins. Let's put some coins together here. Okay. Another thing that I do when I'm counting coins is I group them. Now, I'm going to put the quarter over here and look at what I have. And I have 2 dimes. So I know this is 5, 10, 15, 20. And I have a nickel, which is 25. I like to put this together because I know 25 and 25 is 50. So here I have 50. Let's try it with the touch math. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So that shows that I have 50. I'm going to take the dime here and say added onto that is 50, 55, 56. I'm sorry, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68. Now, just looking at this, I can see 25 and 25 is 50, 60, 65, and the 3. Again, I like to arrange my coins in a way that makes it easiest for me to count. So let me put some other coins in here. Oh, we always have to have a few pennies. Okay, so we've got some coins here. And I'm going to look at my groupings, and I've got dimes here. Okay, and I have nickels, and I have pennies. Again, I always arrange from the biggest to the littlest. Now, if I'm using my touch math, then I have 2 touch points for each dime. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. I have 40 in dimes. I also can count that by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. Each one of these is 1 touch point. So that's 40, 45, 50, 55. And my pennies are just 1, 55, 56, 57. Another way I could do this is to say, okay, here's 25. Here's 25. 25 and 25 we know is 50. 55, 56, 57. So there's a 57 cents. Now, it doesn't matter how many coins you have. If you do it this way, it makes it pretty simple, even if you end up going over $1, because, again, you group. You know, I'm going to get a lot of coins now for my last example. Okay. So I've been collecting coins for a while, ever since I was asked to show how to count money, and that's what you're going to want to do too, is collect coins and play with them. And you're going to come up with the way that's going to work best for you in any case. So looking at these, I have 2 quarters, and oh, I've got lots of dimes here. Okay. And the nickels and the pennies. So let's just look at them separately. I know my 2 quarters. I know that's 25 and 25. That's 50. If I'm not sure, I can use the touch coin way. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay, 50 cents here. And here I have 2, 4, 6, 8. I have 8 dimes. Now if I count by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, I know I have 80 cents there. I can also do it with the touch math. And I get, remember each one is worth 2, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. So that's 80 cents there. And then my nickels, I have 5, 10, 15, 20, and 2 pennies. Now I have to add this all up. Again, I look at this and I group. And I say, well, I have the 50 cents here, but I have another quarter here. And 25, 50, 75, so that's 75 cents there. And if I look, I have another one. There's another quarter. So that's 50, 75, 100. This all equals $1. So I have $1 here in change, and this left over. I'm going to push this dollar over here and see, okay, now what am I going to do with this? I can group again and get another 50 by putting these together as quarters. So now I have $1, 50 cents, 51, 52. $1.52. Now if I do this with the touch math, we have